In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your social media links to your YouTube channel. Very easy to do. All you do is go up to the right corner where your profile icon is, click on it, go down to where it says your channel, click on it. Then you will click on where it says, you can see here I have one link right here. This is my own personal website that I have a link here. Click on Customize Channel. Then you will click on where it says Basic Info, the tab where it says Basic Info, click on it. Then you will scroll down to where it says Links on Banner. It has a drop down list here. This is asking you how many links you want to have on your banner. You can choose up to 5. I don't know why they ask you that, but they do. But you have to select how many links, and you can change it later if you want. You can just go right back into it and change it to whatever number you want to. But you have to have it selected. This is the my personal website that I have. I have one link already on there. But to add links, all you do is click where it says Add Link. And let's say I want to add a Facebook link here. Now, the only one that's going to be visible on your channel is the very first one. It's going to say My Personal Website and have this, but then it will have icons for the rest of my social media. But this is the only one that it will read, but you're required to add a title for each link. So I'm going to write Facebook. And then I will paste my Facebook link here. Then if I want to add another one, I will click Add Link. And I'm going to add my Reddit link here. I'll just paste it right in here. And then after you're done, go up to where it says Publish and click Publish. And that saves it. Then you can click on View Channel. And you see now I have a Facebook link and a Reddit link over here. If I click on it, this will take me to Reddit. There's my Reddit page. But that's it. Thanks for watching.